So now let's work around with the client section inside of Wix ADI. To add in the client section, I'm just going to add a new section right over here, just like this. And then on the left side, I'm just going to scroll down, and here you can see clients is an option. So once you click on it here, you can add in clients who you're currently working with to make more, let's say for example, impact on your new clients. So you can choose something like this, as you can see, and once you click on that, it's adding the feature right over there. So you can see that there's different companies that you can add in logos to and so forth. So let's see the options you have. For example, on the left side, you can see clients, and you can say our clients, something like that. So I'm just going to go around and say our clients. So I'm just going to say our, and successful collaborations as the heading subtitle. You can add in a heading paragraph over here as well to give in more details. You can add in media right over here, just like that, to add in, let's say for example, a picture on the background of the header, or you can use a header button as well. Over here you can see the list items, so you can simply add an item right over there, and new item will be added in, just like this, and you can work around with this. So you can go on to like separate thing like that. So you can go on to item name right over here and say something like tube right over here, and then you can edit and replace the media by choosing a logo according to what you want. So you can replace the media right over here, and you can choose any other logos or anything that you might have right over here. So in my case, let's say I'm just going to choose this picture, so you can apply any logo of the client as per what you have, and then that'll be replaced out right over here, as you can see. And that is how you can add in the client section, just like that. You can also go to design and then choose different layouts right over here. So this is the layout right over here. You can also go for a listed view if you want to. And if you don't want to show the logo, you want to only show the quick layout, you can go over here onto this one as well, as you can see. So there's different ways to showcase your client section as well. And that is how you work with client section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.